van batterijscholen zelf kunnen bepalen hoe ze lesgeven, zegt de commissie die daar onderzoek naar heeft gedaan.
Dat er geen afspraken zijn over de inhoud, dat er geen afspraken zijn over de vorm, dat er geen afspraken zijn.
During the pandemic, we've tried our best to carry on as normal, because obviously operations and exercises don't stop just because of the pandemic. You need to be able to pick the items, pack the items and ship the items. So teleworking isn't really an option for the storage section here at CSSC.
The philosophy behind logistics, wherever you are, is always the same. We try to have the right part on the right place in a timely manner.
In our warehouse, we manage more or less 357,000 items, from a small mobile phone to a satellite ground station, a very big station.
We make sure the forces on the field have the proper IT equipment to be able to communicate in operation.
Laptop, servers, network devices like routers and so on. Whenever NATO needs IT equipment, we deliver. Without the proper IT equipment, our troops will not be able to communicate. Without communication, they have a big operational impact that could put our soldiers in a danger. All NATO communication information systems are stored and shipped with CSSC, CIS Sustainment Support Center in Brunssum.
Here in CSSC, there is not only logistic section, but there is also engineer section. The section they are responsible to upgrade, to repair, and to maintain the system operative. At the moment, for example, we are working on the SGT system, and when we finish to maintain, we send to the NATO mission in Iraq. We have to guarantee that the system is every day working on the field. That is our job.
We're doing a shielding effectiveness test, where we can see what is the attenuation of the shelter provides to interference from electromagnetic radio frequency. You don't want to have interferences in your equipment, especially if it's a communication equipment.
And inside this room, there is no RF energy. So your cell phone, a radio, or nothing would work in here electronically. We received a request from the NATO mission in Iraq to supply NATO secret laptops because of the information that they're working with. The communication and information system devices that are being deployed to Iraq must be tested to ensure that they're not exposing radio frequency emissions, which the adversary can pick up and therefore put the soldier at risk.
Our support with NATO is a daily, a constant support. All systems that our soldier needs in real operation, we provide, we ship